In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to use the movable alphabet and how you can present this to your child. The purpose of the movable alphabet is to prepare the child for writing, reading, and spelling. So the child can use this material to form single words, phrases, and eventually to stories. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Reign of Intentional Homeschooler, bringing you the tips and resources to help you in your homeschooling journey. In this channel, we do product reviews and homeschooling tips just like this. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. In the Montessori environment, children do not learn first the names of the alphabet. Yung una nilang natututunan is the sound of the alphabet or the phonetic sounds like ba, ka, ha, ga, e, instead of yung names ng alphabet like B, C, D, E, F, G. At ini-introduce yung sound of the alphabet using the sandpaper letter. So if you haven't watched my video about sandpaper letter, just click on the box. I share about what is sandpaper letter and how to use it. So I suggest that you check it out first before you introduce the movable alphabet to your child. Make sure na familiar na sila with the sounds of the alphabet. What is movable alphabet? Movable alphabet is a wooden box with 26 compartments. And within these compartments, there are multiple wooden copies of the 26 letters of the alphabet. So the letters are in alphabetical order. The consonants are pink in color and the vowels are blue. And the movable alphabet that we're gonna use today is the manuscript lowercase movable alphabet. And now I'm gonna show you how to present this to your child. First presentation that we can do or first activity that we can do with this material is to introduce this material to your child. So you can invite your child to work on with you and then identify nyo sa bata kung ano yung pangalan ng material na to. So this is a movable alphabet.
Movable alphabet.
Okay. So we will help our child to find yung mga letters inside the box. So first, Kiara, can you find K? K. Can you find K? Okay. This is K. Can you find S? S. Alright, so that's... Can you find T? T. Alright, so you can work on with that first until ma-familiarize sila dun sa order ng alphabet, ng sound inside the box. At the same time, mas maging confident sila to use the material. Next activity that you can do with this material is you can introduce to your child yung pag-build ng 3-letter word. So, in that activity, you can use their toys or picture card to accompany that activity. So, for example, itong toy ni Kiara. Kiara, this is a cat. Cat. This is a cat. What sounds do you hear when I say cat? Cat. Cat. You can also use picture cards sa activity na to, like this one. At the back of this card, meron siyang answer. Why? Because we want our children to learn how to correct yung kanilang work on their own. So, yeah, for example, Kiara will work on this. Kiara, this is a bag. What sounds do you hear when I say bag? B-A-G. Bag. Like to check your work? Here. It's correct. Ayan. If your child struggle to find yung letter or the sound inside the box, you can actually help them. You can point out that yung letter to your children. Bakit ba natin iniiwasan yung pag-point ng mistakes sa ating mga anak? Because if children are constantly being corrected, children will be afraid to make mistakes and they will limit their ability to explore new things or challenging work. But if we allow our children to self-correct and learn from their mistakes, we are actually teaching them that the purpose of work is not about getting the right answer. Instead, matutunan nila yung different process of learning. Once your child is confident na to build words out of this material, pwede na silang mag-construct ng short phrases using the movable alphabet. So, again, pwede kayong gumamit ng picture cards to accompany this activity. So, for example, this picture card, okay, Kiara, would you like to construct words out of that picture? Pat, a dog. You wrote at pat a dog. Pat a dog. So if you want to have your own movable alphabet, I'll share the link in the description below. Just check it out. So if this video has helped you, share it with your friends, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.